Hello little learners, today we are going to learn the alphabet related words. So how many of you knows the words related to that letter? How many of you knows? A, B, C, D, E. So in this video we are going to find out the words related to that letter. Before I am going to start, if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe. And if you want these kind of slides and videos and one-to-one tuition, then please contact us. This is the letter A. So how we are going to write this? This way. You're going to join these two slanting lines and one slipping line. Okay, so this is letter A. Can you think of things that start with the letter A? Can you think any things around your house or outside your house? Think. These are starting with letter, yes, A. So, the starting one is alligator. What is this? It's an alligator. Then what is this? It's an axe. Axe. What is this? It's an apple. Apple. What is this? It's an ant. Ant. What is this? Acorn. What is this? Acorn. What is this? It's an airplane. Airplane. Now the second letter is letter B. So how we are going to write this letter B? How? First, one standing line going down, then one curve and join another curve. This makes letter B. So, who can come up with words that start with the letter B? Raise your hand and tell us what are the things or words start with letter B. Okay, these are the things. Let's gonna find out what are their names. Ball, ball, balloon, boy, butterfly, bell, banana, bus. This is a school bus. Wow, so many things. Now comes how we are going to write the letter C. Starting from here, let's draw a curve. Yes, end it here. This is the letter C. So let's explore things that begin with the letter C. This is the letter C. Can you name any? Do you know? Let's find out together. There are so many things. Starting with letter C. C for cat. This is a cat. C for carrot. Carrot. C for car. C for cow. C for camel. C for cake. So how you are going to write the letter D? A standing line, then a curve, join to the end. Okay? Now, letter D. Can you come up with as many words as you can that start with the letter D? Do you know any words or things that starts with letter D? Read with me. Drum. D for duck. Quack, 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 quack. D for donkey. D for dress. D for dolphin. D for door. D for dragonfly. Do you know this? Dragonfly. It's an insect. This is dice. Now comes letter E. How can we write the letter E? First, you are going to write one standing line, then one sleeping line, another sleeping line, and another sleeping line. This is the way we write the letter E. Now tell me, who can come up with words that start with the letter E? Raise your hand. How many of you know the words start with the letter E? Things starts with letter E. E for egg. E for earth. E for eye. You can see the total world through your eyes. And we are living on the planet Earth. Now this is the number 8. 8. E for 8. This one is eyelash. See, these are the eyelashes. Now this is a cute little elephant. Now comes letter F. F. So how you are going to write the letter F? First you are going to trace the standing line, one sleeping line, another sleeping line. Okay, this is the way you are going to write the letter F. Now let's brainstorm. What are some objects? Objects means the things that start with the letter F. So let's read these. Flamingo. Then frog. Frog says ribbit, ribbit. Then this is a face. Nemo fish. This one fan. This one flower. Fire. Flag. Okay. Now comes letter G. Write the letter G. Draw a chord like C. Then join this by tracing one sleeping line. I spy with my little eye something that starts with the letter G. Can you guess what it is? So tell me, what are the words or objects that starts with letter G? G for gift, guitar, goat, giraffe, grass, globes. Okay. Now comes letter H. So first we are going to trace the letter H. Standing line going down, another standing line going down, then join the middle one by tracing the sleeping line. H. Our mission is to find words that start with the letter H. Who is up for the task? Who is going to tell? The word starting with the letter H. Okay? Let's find out. Wow, so many things. First one is house. Then hat, hippo, heart, hammer, horse. Thank you for watching, my little ones. I hope you learn a lot and you can tell your parents these words. Yes? Okay. So, do like, share and subscribe and do follow our page Kiddoctive Homeschooling.